Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. 5 major myths surrounding manual testing include: 1. Testing is the only department responsible for product quality. Product quality is the role of the entire company, not just the quality assurance team. 2. Manual testing doesn't matter anymore. With the rise of AI and increasingly common robotic process automation, there are some that believe that manual testing doesn't matter in software development anymore. Companies see the relative cheapness of automation and choose to follow that route wherever possible. 3. It's for people that can't code. Code literacy is a must in a lot of testing roles, with gray and white box testing relying on reading code and understanding how it can contribute to any bugs that are present in the software package. 4. You can create bug-free software. Some people come into the manual testing industry with the assumption that a quality assurance team can find every bug in a piece of software and help the development team to resolve it. 5. There isn't any value added by testing. One of the biggest myths surrounding any form of software testing is that it doesn't add any value to the software package. In brief, a hybrid manual automation testing strategy will always deliver a better test outcome than either of these strategies would when used exclusively. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.